Namaskar, welcome back to Life Glow Boost. It's me. Today we are going to discuss about 3 smart tips that will help you to manage your time well. Well, this episode is for those who are always complaining about lack of time. How I wish I had enough time. If only I had time, if only this would happen, then I could do it. Now stop it right here. You do have time. You have 24 hours a day just like me. Then what is really the problem? The problem is how you are managing your time or how you are spending your time. So let us see these 3 simple but powerful tips that can definitely help you to manage your time better. Tip number 1, do the most difficult task first. Procrastination is the thief of time. The more you procrastinate, the more you steal time from yourself. So learn to finish the most difficult task first. It may be cleaning the room. It may be clearing the clutter in your mind. It may be finishing that pending project. Whatever it is, whatever is the most difficult task that you are postponing again and again, learn to do it at once. That is the first tip. And remember, by doing the difficult task first, you clear up the rest of the day for lighter tasks. Also, when you do the difficult task first, you feel lighter, you feel happier because the whole day, you don't have to keep thinking about that task that is pending, that I have to do it. So get it over and done with. Do it first. Remember also that when you do the most difficult task first, you are more likely to get it done. Because sometimes the difficulty of the task does not depend upon the task itself, but depends upon the mood in which you approach it. If you approach any task with a positive mood, you can do it. Anything can become easy if you try it with a happy heart. So the first tip is do the hardest task first. Let us see the second tip. Tip no. 2, turn off your phone notification. This is very important. See, our phones are designed to distract us. They are designed to pull our attention away from what we are doing, from where we have kept our focus. Now, it may be some work, it may be studying, it may be spending quality time with your family. Nothing is more distracting than a phone notification that pops up at an unexpected moment. When you are working, just keep your phone at a distance. Keep it on silent mode. Do not keep it beside you. Just keep it somewhere far away so that you do not get distracted with it. Now, if it's an emergency, then you can keep your phone beside you. But otherwise, whenever you sit down to work, to study, to meditate, to pray, just put your phone at a distance. Do not let it distract you. Whenever we hear the notification sound, just by conditioning, we look into the phone. So do not let your phone control you. You control your phone? That is why I said do not let the phone notifications pop up and distract you. Turn it off. Sometimes you need to take a break and check your phone. That is okay. Otherwise, keep it on silent. And now let us see the third tip. Tip no. 3, take a short break every hour. So whatever work you are doing, try to finish it within 1 hour. Do not postpone it. Sometimes we think that since there is time, I'll do it later. Now this later sometimes becomes never. So try to do whatever you are doing. Finish it within an hour. And also after an hour, take a short break of 5 minutes. Take a short break of 5 minutes and stretch yourself, walk a little bit, have some water, just relax a little bit and then come back to work. Remember the 5-minute rule. After every 1 hour, take a break of 5 minutes. This will keep you refreshed and it will keep you more productive too. Sometimes we work continuously and we lose the productivity graph. We just keep working and working, but we do not realize that our productivity has gone down. So it is better to take a short break and then come back to work with a fresh mind. So the third tip is take a short break of 5 minutes after every 1 hour. Now, by following these 3 simple tips, I am sure you will be able to manage your time much better. And remember, these are small habits. They may seem to be very, very small and simple, but they can make a huge difference in your life. So practice them. Try to follow them each day and you will see a huge difference in your life. These small habits can build into great potential and help you achieve all your dreams and goals. Remember, it is the small things that make a huge difference. It is the small habits that can change your life. Work smarter, not longer. This is Life Glow Boost. Namaskar.